And the other format is actually in the form of y equals to a bracket x minus h squared plus k format, which I'll name as AHK format. And in that format, we will also have a few variables. So we got a, we got a h, and we got a k, right? So what do they represent? So for the value of a, it's the same as the previous a x squared plus bx plus c format. It's also telling us the opening of the curve. Okay, if it's like that, it's positive. If it's going down, it's negative. And the other thing that this version tells us is the vertex value. Now for the vertex value, if I now look at the orange part that I've highlighted, if you assign that to be 0, and then whatever's left over on the other side after making x the subject is what you put in the vertex value. So in this case, x minus h is 0. So if you move the minus h to the other side, becomes positive. So h is equal to h. So that's what we write down in the vertex value. So it's h, and then for the k value, we just copy whatever it's outside here. So that's k there. So the vertex is actually equal to h and k. So it's direct translation from that. Okay, so that's all you will have from the AHK form, because this is actually completing squares. And you can normally, if you want to convert the ax square plus bx plus c form into AHK form, you need to learn completing squares. And completing squares can allow you to find the vertex directly from the equation itself. Okay, or you can remember that we talked about the actual h value. If you use the ax squared plus bx plus c form, h is actually also equal to negative b over 2a, because the h value is the x value, and the x value, it's actually the vertex. Okay, so h can be got by just using negative b over 2a. So that's another thing that you can be noting on. Okay, so that would be it. And then with these information, you should be able to do the questions at the bottom, question 16, 17, 16, 17, and 18, and observing the curves and see which ones are true. Okay.